So here's how you can get started with Custom Router. Right, you pick your gateway. It can be whatever API provider you want. You can use Open Router if you want. This one's pretty great. And then you set your API key, and then automatically it'll sync all of the models that are available. You can remove them if you want, but ultimately it syncs the models. And then you choose your routing behavior, whether you want it to reroute every single message, right? So every time it sends a request, it runs the routing model, or if you wanted to do it new thread only, or you want the auto router to decide. So then what you can do is click quick setup. So you choose your the balanced general purpose one, which is supported with Open Router, and then basically you configure what you have here, right? So in this one it says route every request to the single best model. Right, we're using Claude Sonnet 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview, Gemini Flash, Perplexity Sonar for search, and then it tells you, right, for images use Gemini, for web use Perplexity, for long documents use Gemini Pro, for reasoning and creative stuff use Sonnet, right? And for quick chat, use Inception Mercury 2. And then you choose your router model, right? Which model is actually going to basically interpret the prompt and which is the best model for that specific prompt, right? So it'll be like, oh, this is just, a general chat. Let's just use Inception Labs. Or this is an image. This one has an image. Let's use Gemini, right? So that's basically what you set up, and now you see that the model of choice is general balanced. You get your API keys whenever you want, right? You can generate API keys. You can figure out how to integrate it with whatever OpenAI SDK, or you can use it directly in Cursor, or just literally wherever supports an OpenAI compatible endpoint. So here's where you test it, so you can see, hey, how's it going? Right, and then we click inspect, and we can see that it routed because we chose, right, for random chats, we routed to Mercury 2. So this is basically how it works. Yeah, check it out, customrouter.ai.